Hello everyone, today we'll be talking about functions. Now let's say you want to make an omelet. Initially what you would do, you turn on the stove and you put on a cooking pan on the stove, you add some butter, break eggs and mix the eggs in a bowl, and then you add some seasoning, add some onions and put the mixed eggs in the pan and let it cook for 5 minutes, right? So if I run this, this will show now all the steps. Now let's say tomorrow you want to make eggs again. You will have to repeat these steps. That is actually like how many? 6 or 8 steps here, right? The day after tomorrow probably will have to do the same. Wouldn't it be nice if you have a robot or a device that will allow you to make the eggs in one click of a button, right? So now let's say, so that's where the functions come in. So functions in Python start with def. So def, now let's say we're going to create a function, we call it omelet maker, okay? So this is kind of our omelet maker robot, right? We are not passing any argument. We'll talk about that in later videos. Now, inside this function, so we'll have to indent it by 1. Then we'll put all the steps that we need. So I'll go ahead and comment this one out. Now, next time I want to make eggs, instead of going through every single step, I can just call my omelet robot maker. So this is where you call the function, right? So omelet maker, you simply call omelet maker, and then we run it, call out omelet maker, we run it, we see that these steps are repeated. As you can see, this is much simpler, right? You save us so much time as compared to repeating these steps. And this is the whole purpose of a function, is to allow you to do repeatable tasks with one line of code, basically. So we create all the steps under the function, and then we could just have to call the function. In later videos, we'll talk about how to pass an argument inside the function. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comment section. As always, thank you for watching.